Hello everyone, if your Microsoft Store will not download applications or games, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix that annoying error when you can't download anything off the Microsoft Store. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write here ws reset.exe, press enter, and that should repair and open up your Microsoft Store. And now you can go ahead and try to download any application. If that fixes your issue, then you're good. But if it didn't, then what you're going to do is you're going to open up the start menu again. You're going to write here Microsoft Store. You're going to right click on it, click onto app settings. You're going to scroll down and you're going to click repair first. And after that, you're going to click reset. Once you click reset, you can go ahead and restart your computer and check if that fixes the issue. If it does, then good. But if it didn't, then I have a last solution for you. What you're going to do now is you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write here PowerShell. You're going to right click on PowerShell. Make sure to run it as administrator. You're going to put this command in first. So you're going to paste this command and you're going to press enter. And then you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And after you're done with the restart, you're going to come back. You're going to write PowerShell again. Make sure to run it as administrator again. Now you're going to put this command in and you're going to press enter. And after that, when you open up Microsoft Store, you'll see that you can now easily install applications or games from the Microsoft Store and you won't get that error anymore. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.